Let's do it. Let's start up.
That's a good introductory video.
This one brings up that system and we can explain it.
Okay, cool. All right, cool, guys. It's about to get what I'm about to show you right now is it's gonna be really heavy, but I'm gonna share it with you guys. Hit your record button and listen to this shit straight off the break. I'm about to teach it right now. Hey, I need the tripod over here. I need my stick too. Where's my stick at? I know I have my stick already. My stick. Don't be the person watching the movie when you end the movie.
I'm gonna go try it.
Another one, that's what I'm sorry.
It's 10?
The potential got that
You got the extension right there, right? On that, right?
yeah, that's a little small tripod.
Yeah,
So you don't have to hold it directly. You can use that. Here goes the tripod right here.
Okay.
You put it on the table. And if you have another small tripod,
Hey, make sure that you got everything we need when it comes to the you got that as a tripod, right? You can actually set that up, or you can have it.
I'm gonna send you my
You can put it right there. You can just
I'll be right back.
there's equipment that's missing. And this line has to manage it. Make sure the light is coming at wheel.
If you want to video that like yourself.
All right, guys. Which video is this one? It's a 0 and 1?
Just surfing through this one to see if it got like celebrate.
All right, cool. You can show now. Thank you. You hear me? You got stick? Oh, that's mine. Can I get some music?
Oh, that's the
You gotta get a stick.
stop the line.
You can't do it off video now.